Hi, and welcome to CyberLabs. Today, we are going to explore how hackers can capture and read data from unsecured websites. We will look at how they can monitor your entire home network traffic and steal your login credentials. If you find this content valuable, please subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated with the latest cybersecurity knowledge. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Please do not engage or attempt any illegal activities. This type of attack is known as a man-in-the-middle attack. You might be wondering what tools a hacker uses for this. If you were thinking of Wireshark, you are absolutely correct. Wireshark is often considered the king of tools in the hacking world. Today, we will practically demonstrate two things. First, how to extract login credentials from captured network traffic using Wireshark, and second, how a hacker lures a victim into revealing sensitive information through a phishing attack. Let's get started. First, we open Wireshark. Once it opens, select the Wi-Fi interface that shows the highest signal activity. That is your active interface. Double-click it to begin the packet capture. It will capture the all upcoming and outgoing packets in your home network. You will now see all the traffic flowing across the network. Wait, how do we know which traffic to analyze? There are so many packets. Do not worry. Simply type HTTP in the filter bar. Now, only the HTTP traffic will be filtered and displayed. But how do we identify the login credentials? Notice that in the packet list, some packets will be marked as GET and others as POST. GET, request, this method is used to request data from a server, usually seen when you simply load a web page or click a link. POST, request, this method is used to send data to a server, which is why hackers specifically look for these when a user submits a form, such as a username and password. When you see a POST packet, stop the capture. Now, let's test this on my phone using a dummy HTTP site to see if Wireshark catches the credentials. I will enter an email and a password. As soon as I hit submit, you will see the POST packet appear in the capture. I have stopped the capture and we have found the packet. To inspect it, right-click the packet and scroll down to the line-based text data or the TCP stream. See? There are the email and password in plain text. That's it. Hackers exploit unsecured HTTP sites because the data is sent in the clear. Lesson 1. Always use HTTPS as it ensures your traffic is encrypted and unreadable to attackers. Now, let's move to our next topic, phishing attack. A hacker will send you a malicious link, often accompanied by social engineering, either threatening that your account will be banned or tempting you with a fake offer. You will need a tool called Zphisher. Simply clone it from GitHub in your terminal, navigate to the folder, and run bash zphisher.sh. It will install the necessary packages and show you a menu of various social media platforms. For this demonstration, we will select option 5. Netflix. You will get 4 server options. We will choose localhost first. This link will only work on your internal network. To make it accessible over the internet, we will use ngrok or port forwarding. You will need to select a custom port between 1024 and 9999. Let's use 2525. Our local link is ready. It looks completely authentic. If I enter an email and password, they are captured instantly. But this link won't work outside my network. To expose it to the world, I use a personal favorite interface, CSI Linux, because it's look like real hacking system. Run the command ngrok http 2525. Look at that, we have a public URL. Hackers send this link in messages claiming your subscription is expiring. If you log in through that site, you have been compromised. Lesson 2. Never click on suspicious links. Always verify the domain name or check your official account status directly through the verified application or your email. I will see you all in the next topic.